Hi, Golden. Why you put no? I have no bra. Look, no bra. She did. I have no bra. She did. Hi. Hi, Golden. Oh my god. Kareem here. Thank you for the time. Hi, dog. Feel up late, Sheryl. So early. Not late. I sleep early and I wake up early. Too much. Too early. Hello. Hello, Golden. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. La, la, la. Oh, you up early, not late. Yeah, early because I sleep last night 7:30 here, something like that. How was your day? Good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Good so far, yes. Thank you, dog, for being here. What time there in your place? What time? What time? None there, none. 12. Oh, same here. Here, 12:43 in the morning. Everybody sleep there, yeah. Everybody sleep there. That's fine. Why you up early? I don't know. Can't sleep well. I can sleep well. I have headache. Can't sleep good. Yeah, I can't sleep good. Can't sleep good. I'm sorry, but glad you're here. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Alas ko lamang lagi kang buhay ka. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Coffee. How Tim today? I think Tim is fine. He's good. I feel someone walking along, but then I see nothing, no one. Maybe I'm not like that. So much going back to sleep for her. Um, Sometimes if you drink coffee 3 or 4 hours before you go to sleep, it keeps you from sleeping. Yeah, I need to coffee. Are you drinking coffee? I mean, the coffee. Oh, wow. Smart, right? Right, right, right. Dancing coffee. Dancing in the moonlight. Cha, cha, cha. Dancing in the moonlight. Coffee. Hot coffee. Good coffee. And then you drink it with a spoon. Yep, yep. What type of shoes is that? Shit? Shit? What shit? What shit? Shirt? shit is that? Huh? What a shit. Fuck shit. He means shirt. Ah, Santa. Santa Claus is coming to town. Merry Christmas because you drink it with a spoon. You drink it with a spoon. I thought fucking shit. What type of shit is that? Is a type of shit is that? Coffee drinking because hot. Hot because sure you are cursing. What cursing? Cursing? You are what cursing me? What is that? What cursing? Cursing. But I like the shirt. Santa. Shit is a bad word. Okay. I thought it's a. I think it's like a cute like. Bad words like a fuck shit. It's a bad. Oh my god, I'm a bad girl. Fuck shit. Uh, it's so cute. Say no brain. Say it again. Fuck shit. Why you don't like the oh now she's trapping. Thank you for the thumbs up. Shut up, shut up. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Shut up. Thank you for the likes. Red man. I'm guessing token don't see bad word. Yeah. Philippines is good good attitude. Maybe me I'm not. I'm a bad. Oh sorry. Oh my god. I'm a bad one. Bad girl. Don't see these words, they're bad. Okay. Sorry. I don't say it again. Huh? Oh my god. You heard that voice? Oh, creepy. Huh? Oh my god. The dog. Wait, question. Oh my. Do you hear that voice? Oh my god. Creepy. She's a bad girl. Yes, I am. Sorry, dog. What do you say when you hurt yourself? When I hurt myself. Oh. I'm sorry, self. You fool again. You so stop it. Don't say that. Don't do that again. Oh my god. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Oh my god. Oh, feel scared. Wow, American are different. We be dropping. Pepper boom. I boom. Thank you for 5 million thumbs up. Oh my god, I'm looking myself so ugly. God, I'm getting old now. Oh, yeah. Aray. Bomb. F-bomb. F-bomb. What means F-bomb? Bomb. What means F-bomb? 27 million here. Thank you. A fuck. A fuck bomb. Ah, fuck, fuck. Oh my god. The word itself. Huh? I don't understand, sorry. Oh my god. You know what? I don't know. Just don't see bad words. Ah, okay. Okay, don't see bad words. I don't say. We don't have time to explain. We don't have time to explain it to you. Sorry. Can you explain it? I want to understand. What I give up. Don't give up. I want to learn. That's why I say that. I want to learn. Can you explain? I want to learn. What is that? Can you say it? Just keep doing you. Keep doing you. Those words are really bad to say, Cheryl. Ah, okay. Ah, these words. Oh my god, I want to say it again, but control myself. My god. Thank you for 29 people. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Maybe have a vampire outside. Like I'm hearing like a vampire something like that. Oh, maybe as well. Or maybe a book. Oh my god. Oh. Minamoto na ko ng damdamin mo. Ng damdamin ko. opposites women against someone. Ah, okay. Okay. She says it to me all the time. I thought it's true. Not that true. That's not true. Thank you for the 35 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my god. And the middle fingers. She loves it. My god. You guys don't know the real shirt, yes. Oh, God. Maybe I'm a bad person. I'm too bad. Sheryl, stop doing. I, I love it. Oh, I love. Very bad. You're a bully. Not a bully. I'm just telling the truth. Arin, Arin, bully. Bullet mo. I can see that was a bullying school. I, I'm behave on school. I'm behave. Oh my god. Got up. Got up. Oh my god. Why my I'm old. I'm not getting old now. I have a back pain. Can anyone can anyone massage my back, please? I will pay up 5 cents dollar. Good job, then. Yeah. Shut up, Balvin. Shut up. It's a joke. It's a joke. You break her back. Shut up. Let me call Surgery Party. No. Why? Ouch. Nice. Down. You don't like I'm doing it. Oh my god. My god damn. You said anyone. Sure, are you drunk? No. Sorry, dog. Oh my god. I'm big now. Oh my god. From Poppy. I'm behave now. Sorry, dog. Sorry, guys. God. Cheryl is not allowed to get drunk. Getting drunk. I must drink Oh my god. Maybe when I'm drunk, oh my god, I'm wild. I don't know. It's like a shut up, shut up, shut up. It's raining there now, yeah, raining there. Just the coffee effect, yeah. What you put in that coffee share? No sugar. No sugar. No more gonna thank you for watching 39 people. Carlos Garnaika, hello. RS Cassie, hello baby. I'm from China. Hello from China. China C. Charot. Joke. Carlos Garnica for triple juice. Maybe she smoked and she is high like no, I'm not smoke. I don't like smoke. Never smoke. Right here like I never smoke guys. How old are you baby? I'm 40. 40. Mm-hmm. It's the like guys. Thank you for the likes. Her name, her not big. Oh, why you call me baby, huh? I don't like milk. I drink Coke. I'm not a baby. Baby, 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 baby. She have a name. You looking twenty, baby. You wrong. You lie. I'm looking 50. It is 12 a.m. in the Philippines. Yes, sir. Sir Dr. Petrobach. 1 a.m. now. Go, 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 ga, ga, ga. Hi, thank you, Doc. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you guys for dropping by here. Korea. Korea, hi. Guys, hey. Hey, Korea. Welcome back, Korea. Why you wake up? Where are you from, Korea? I forgot. I don't remember, but I remember your name. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Golden. WhatsApp number, please. My crush is sexy. Oh my god. Thank you, Golden. Oh my god. Yes, wala si Tem. Magtatagal ka. Wala si Tem. Tim is here. Mardoki. Antoketek. Hi, Antoketek. Where? I don't, he's here. Here. Do you like China? No. Sorry. But I like the. Uh, I. Sorry. China is good, but no. Oh my god. Thank you for joining everyone here. Thank you for watching. Where you from, guys? Guys. Bakit gising ka pa, Mardoki? Bakit gising ka? Hot stem. Hot stem. Thank you for 13 people. Oh my god. YouTube changed people in India. The hat jacket. Their name is a hat jacket. Yep, yep. Minumuko ng damdamin mo. Thank you. He just want to talk, not English or no. Correct because I'm here. Yeah, maybe because he don't know how to speak English. I want to go to Philippines by next month, maybe. Papa, welcome to the Philippines, RS Castillo. Natutulog na ako, Sheryl. Bumisita muna ako sa channel mo. He knows my role. Thank you for 46 people. Yeah, maybe. Can I meet him? Why? Why you meet me? Why you meet? Mm. Nars. It helps Cheryl also with English. No. Thank you guys. Oh my god, I hate this feeling. Oh shit. As a tour guide. As a tour guide. Oh, I don't know how. I don't know the place. Yeah, because no, I'm not gala. Thank you. Oh my god, 62 million here now. Oh shit, I'm old now. Okay, baby. You have a big ass bag on the wall. Ah, big bag? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lights. Lights. Come on, guys. Ah, behind me, yes, I see cockroaches. Come on, guys. Start hitting some likes or I'm clearing you out. Behind. Thank you. Thank you. Lights. You cleaning. Ah, double tap your skin like her. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you for watching me. Like god, double tap your screen. Thank you so much. I have the power. I have the power. Oh my god. If you want, we'll go to one. Oh butterfly. 70. Thank you so much. Don't do that. He's mad with power. Thank you for the thumbs up. She needs coffee right now. Oh my. Makulit. Can I cannot. Not bad. Help this channel with likes. It's for free. What kind of power do you have, Tim? Armpit power? Just kidding. You just laughing. Leprechaun. Hi. Hi po. Hello. Oh my God. Patgising ka pa. Cockroach, yeah. Yes, I told you. Yes, oh my God. No. Diba? Ta, ta, tarara, tarara. Kakauwi ko lang galing saan? More like sa warbag. That was a huge bug. Oh my God. Layo English. Galing sa gimikan. Saan gimik? Leprechaun. How much for you to eat each? How much for you to eat each? What it means? You. What? Grass? Grass? Umar. Hi, Umar. Umar. My friend's house. My friend's here, friend's house. Okay. Oh, whoa. How much money does it take? It takes you to eat that big. That big for what? Huh? How much for you to eat the bug? The bug? How much money does it take you to eat that bug? How much for you to eat? How much? How much? I don't eat the bug. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't like that. Ew. It's insect. I'm not eat insect. Tara. Never mind, Cheryl. Give up. Oh, come on, guys. Then where you get this girl? Help her out. Please, can you help me? Oh my God. Make a wish foundation. Oh my God. Filipinos that not eat bug. We eat isaw. Yeah, we eat isaw. Okay. Can you help me to understand, please? I think need more than that. We eat dinuguan, so yes. Paniguan, the bloody. We eat bloody. We eat blood food. Thank you, Leprechaun. It would take a week for you to understand. Why week? Why just a few minutes or just seconds? Sure, how much you eat? How much for you to eat a bag? Para sa akin, how much, Cheryl? How much for you to eat a bag? Golden, spell her name right. Bloody pork in English. Am I right, Cheryl? I don't know how to. I don't know in English. How much? How much? Wait lang. Cheryl, how much for you? Me? I don't eat bug. Quiet. We don't eat bug here. Ew. Her spell Cheryl. Hermosa. Capital Morgan 9298. Read your last comment. Di mo ba? I just didn't put the whole name. Yep, it's okay, it's fine, I understand. Maurice Guadi. Show, very beautiful, fantastic. Look, nice eyes. Italy, from Italy. Maurizio Guadi. Hi, Maurizio Guadi. Well done, it's one. Okay. Okay. Rocky Gomez. I'm too lazy to do all that. Team up in the 1930s, a 1967 instrumental surf rock song by the band The Ventures, featured on their album Guitar for Africa. The song was composed by Nuki Edwards. Hola Linda, Rocky Gomez, hello. Oh my god. Have a nice outside. Leprechaun, who cares? Oh my god. Why Tim is so mean? Ow, it could be. Why your moderator is so masongit? Oh, masongit may dad na kasi. Stupid people, that's why. Yeah, I did care about that myself too. Sombrero. Hi, Sombrero. Kalay. Batukan kaya kita, Tim. Alalahanin mo na sa Pilipinas kami. Magtatagalog dapat kasi. Good job. Oh my god. What did you say? I can't read all. I don't think she knows him. Yeah, I'm not read at all. Have a good vacation, Leprechaun. Oh my god. She half breathing. Not half, maybe just one word like that. Oh my. Thank you, 44 people here now. Thank you so much. Ay, oh my god. Oh my god. So, Sonny. Hi, Sonny. You're doing body message of yourself or what? Ah, I'm just message myself. I message myself. I like a what? Come on, Ryan. Hi. Shut up. Oh, yummy. Delicious. Not like guys, I will keep cleaning. Um, oh my god, I need massage. Ayola. Dr. Fetch, the hot chucky 101. Hit like guys, or I will keep cleaning. Erika Wong and Lee. Oh my god, what doctor? Hi, ouch. Salvador. Oh my god. Oh, how are you? I'm fine, Salvador. Can you give me same massage? Because I heard Philippines girls give nice massage. I'm not give a massage. I give a pain back. I give that. I'm not good in massage. Sorry. Khaled. Oh, hi Khaled. Ngali Mali Mali. Hi. What a nice name. Ngali Mali. Why, oh my color. I'm fine. It's very sweet. I'm not sweet. I don't like sweet. I like sweet and sour. Hi Lucas Junior. Hello, where you from? I'm from Philippines. Bali, no Philippines. Can you beat me? Can you beat me also? No problem. I accept. It's nice. What? Yeah. Joke. It's a joke. I'm fine. I'm very sweet. Patrick Zideo from Brazil. You are like sweet and sour cocktail. Yeah. Cocktail. I fell sleepy now. I'm scared. I hearing some. I'm outside and oh my god. Oh, you. Hello. Hi, Salvador. Thank you. You are very beautiful, Mehmet. From Indonesia. Hi, Sandra from Philippines. Thank you for joining from Indonesia. Guys, hit the like. Thank you, my team. I'm professional bartender. I can make tasty cocktails for your friend. Thank you, Zani. My love. Hi, Jerry. Oh, Manila. No, not Manila. A province. Living in the province. Jerry. Jerry is not a lunch at the soup kitchen. Wait, wait. Oh my god. I need to go to the CR for a while. I need to pee. How are you? I'm fine. Shy. What? Wait, I need to pee. Wait a minute. I need to turn back. Yes. My mom. Oh my god. If you haven't liked her channel yet today, please do. I see Golden Con. He must be back and Annalyn room. Annalyn room? Why? Hi, magandang gabi, no? Bakit hindi ka pa natutulog? Lucas, nagising ako ng tapos hindi na ako makatulog. Minumulto na ako ng damdamin. Shallow. Shy just. Let's get her 50 like she was became top. She will be back. Wait for her, guys. The ones who are stalking, it's a good time to read. I'm fine, Shy. There is. Oh. She stick her head. No. Yep. Thank you for 13 thumbs up. Where you live? Manila? No, I live in the province, Bicol province, Philippines. I'm not a Manila girl. Ma province, provincia. Chare. Hi, Nevado. What do you do for life? I'm a farmer here. I'm a volunteer government as a volunteer. How old are you, Luca? How old are you, Luca? Nivaldo. Hi, Nivaldo. Sosa Santos Sosas. Hi. Hello. Nice. You? What about you? Men do English. Nivaldo. And you, Lucas, where are you from? How old are you? What are you doing in life? Oh, what's with your pound? What's some lads on the to the little banner? What you do? What I should do? Você casada. Oh, oh my god. Thanks for joining me here now. English din po ako. Wala nang walang kung tama ba ito? Saan ko ka? Você. Você. To Brazil. Come here or Brazil. The hot chat 101 and 49 and live in the Indonesia. Oh. Thank you for joining, Lucas. Nice to meet you. Lucas from Indonesia. Greetings from Philippines. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. Yep. Okay. Bye guys. I need to sleep now because I have work tomorrow. Bye. Love you all. See you later. See you next live. Bye.